Good morning, student. Today start topic Lagrange's mean value theorem. The statement: if function f(x) is first condition continuous in closed interval ab, second condition is differentiable in open interval ab, then there exists at least one real number c belongs to ab at which fb minus fa upon b minus a equal to f dash c. Then example first. Examine the applicability of LMV theorem in the interval 1 to 4 of the function fx x square minus 4x minus 3. First solution. Here fx is x square minus 4x minus 3. It is polynomial in x. Since every polynomial in x is a continuous function for every value of x, then fx is continuous function in closed interval 1, 4. Then f dash derivable defined to x is 2x minus 4x is minus 4, which exists in open intervals 1, 4. fx is derivable in open interval 1, 4. Then fx satisfies both the condition of the Lagrange mean value theorem. Then there exists at least one value c of x in 1, 4 such that fb minus fa upon b minus a f dash c. Then b is 4 minus f1, 4 minus 1 equal to 2c minus 4. Then put the value 16 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 upon 3 equal to 2c minus 4. Then 2c minus 4 equal to 1, 2c equal to 4 plus 1, 2c equal to 5, c equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 belongs to 1 and 4. Lagrange mean value theorem is verified. Second example. Find a point on the parabola y equal to x plus 3 whole square where the tangent is parallel to the chord joining point is minus 3, 0 and 4, minus 4, 3. Let y equal to fx equal to x plus 3 whole square, fx equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Apply the formula a plus b whole square. It is a polynomial in x. First condition. Since every polynomial x is a continuous function for every value of x, then fx is continuous in closed interval minus 4, minus 3. Then second condition, f dash derivable, then x square derivable is 2x, differential 6x is plus 6, which exists in open interval minus 4, minus 3. fx is derivable in open interval minus 4, 3. fx satisfy both the condition of the Lagrange mean value theorem. Then there exists at least one real number x belongs to minus 4, minus 3 such that f dash x equal to fb minus fa b minus a. f dash x b is f minus 3 minus f minus 4 minus 3 minus 4. Then f dash x value is 2x plus 6. They 0 minus 1 minus 3 plus 4. 2c plus 6 equal to minus 1. 2x equal to minus 7. Then c equal to minus 7 by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2 mean minus 3.5. Belongs to minus 4, minus 3. Here x equal to minus 7 by 2. The value function y equal to minus 7 by 2 plus 3 whole square. Then take the LCM. Then minus 7 plus 6 upon 2. This is 1 by 2. Square is 1 by 4. Y equal to 1 by 4. There exists at point minus 1 by 2, minus 7 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, x value and y value. On the given curve where the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point minus 3, 0 and minus 4, 3. Then third example. Discuss the applicability of Lagrange's mean value theorem to the function fx equal to mod x on closed interval minus 1, 0. Now we shall show that fx is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Then left hand derivative. Formula is limit x tend to 0 minus formula is fx minus f0 upon x minus 0. Limit x tend to 0 minus mod x minus mod 0 x minus 0. Then limit x tend to 0 minus mod x upon x. First of all, put x equal to 0 minus h greater than 0, so that h tends to 0 as x tends to 0 minus. And limit h tend to 0 mod 0 minus h upon 0 minus h. 0 minus h minus h, mod mean value is positive. My h upon minus h, cut limit h tend to 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. This is left hand derivative. Similarly, right hand derivative formula, limit x tend to 0 plus fx minus f0 x minus 0 equal to limit x tend to 0 plus mod x minus mod 0 x minus 0. Then limit x tend to 0 plus mod x upon x. Then also put x equal to 0 plus h, so that h tend to 0 as x tend to 0 plus equal to limit h tend to 0 mod 0 plus h upon 0 plus h. 0 plus h equal to h mod h upon h. Limit h tend to 0, h upon h 1 equal to 1. Then left hand limit is minus 1, right hand limit is 1. The left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative. Then fx mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0 belongs to minus 1 to comma 1. Then Lagrange's mean value theorem cannot be verified to the following: fx equal to mod x in closed interval minus 1 1. Example 4. Using mean value theorem, so that sin x less than x for x greater than 0. Consider the function ft equal to sin t, all t in closed interval 0 comma x. Then derivative of f dash t equal to sin derivative is cos t. We show that ft is derivable in closed interval 0 comma x. Then ft is continuous in closed interval 0 to x and derivable in open interval 0 comma x. ft satisfy the condition of the mean value theorem in the closed interval ab 0 comma x. There exists c belongs to 0 comma x such that f dash 0 equal to fx minus f0 x minus 0. Then f dash is cos c equal to sin x minus 0 upon x. Cos c equal to sin x upon x. Sin x upon x equal to cos c less than 1. Then sin x upon x less than 1. Sin x less than x for x greater than 0.